Oh, hi. It's a rainy day, but that doesn't mean anything in the world of real estate, right? So right now I'm in front of 641 Linton Rose Lane out here in Henrico, Virginia. And I just want to give you guys a sneak peek before the open house this weekend. So this weekend we have an open house from 1 to 3 here at 641, as you can see right there, 641 Linton Rose here in Henrico, Virginia from 1 to 3, Saturday and Sunday. We can't wait to see you there. The show Don Gilliam will be hosting the open house. He's always fun. So come on out. Again, this is 641 Linton Rose Lane here in Henrico, Virginia. Beautiful townhouse community, as you can see. So freaking nice. Really, really, really quiet. If you love this area, this is your opportunity to hop on it. Come on out Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 3, 641 Linton Rose Lane. Bye.